Another beautiful day in Boa Viagem. Today we're going to go on a little trek. I think I want to go to the shopping mall. Gonna buy something if they got what I want. I'm not gonna say what it is, but we'll go see if I can find it. But look at that ocean. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Hope you have a good day, whatever you're doing. We'll try to slip a little bit more video onto this later on. I like this stretch of the beach. And we're at low tide, not the lowest yet, it's lower. It's good time to see what's going on the tide. Lots of people out enjoying the day. Not terribly crowded, but it's good to see them out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ships that I can see waiting to load or offload. Wonder which, maybe both. I've always liked this little rocks that I see. Got that beautiful church right there. Of course, next to it, there's some artisans. Sell all kinds of stuff. I don't suppose much of what I see in there is actually. I'm thinking some of it is manufactured in mass and different people buy it and then resell it. But it is kind of fun to look at some of the stuff. This little stretch right here is really fantastically beautiful. While up and down this whole way here, there's reef off and on. But when I think of the reef of Boa Viagem, where Recife really got its name, I think of these reefs right here. They're fantastic. And with the lower tide, like it is now, you can actually walk on them. It's fairly easy to walk out there and walk on them. And they, for the most part, connect for quite a ways here. It's kind of fun. And at various times of the day, the fishermen line up on the reefs and fish out into the open sea. Usually when they're fishing and the tide is higher, they're casting out to about where the reefs are and then are fishing the reefs, I guess. Maybe that's a good way to catch fish. But when you stand on the reef on a beautiful day like today and a warm day, you get the breeze coming in off the ocean. Makes it even more fun and better to be out there yet. Yeah, it doesn't really get much more Brazilian than this scene here. Got the beautiful reef. You got people sunbathing, taking advantage of this beautiful view. It is a sight. I like it at this time, particularly when the water wants to come over the reef and creates the little cascades here off the reef. Just need a wave to come up and start it up again. That's them right there. Maybe this way we'll get it. There we go. How about that? Mother Nature. We're going to get off the boardwalk now. Cross over the avenue. We're going to go up this street. This will get us up to the shopping mall. A little bit more of a stroll. We're going to come up to another intersection we're going to cross. This one's a busy street. But as long as you use the lights to your advantage, there's never a problem. And we can go. You may have noticed that all of the streets, well, the minute you say all, then we'll come up to an exception. But almost all of the streets are one-way streets. So once you learn how the lights operate together with the streets, boa tarde, and adjust yourself to the traffic patterns, it's pretty easy to get around on the streets. For example, we really want to get to the other side right now. So all of the traffic that is on the street now has been turning left up there because the light is stopped traffic coming this way. So we wait till we can get across and we do so. Just like that. Okay, we're almost to the shopping mall. Just on the other side of this bus stop. You know, ever since I moved to Brazil about 3.5 years ago, I've not yet ridden a bus, even though it's a major form of transportation around here. Just haven't done it. So maybe I'll have to try that one day, just for grins. Other than that, so we walk through the bus stop. We're going to let this car go. Not as fast as I used to be. So we let them go through, then we go across. This is the shopping mall Recife, even though there are other malls actually in Recife proper. They have other names. So Um, it would be tempting for me to actually call this the shopping mall Beau Voyage, but they don't, so I don't either. This mall is a big mall. It's more or less for the medium class, kind of the average person. The one north of us, a little ways, called Shopping Mall Beau Mar, I think. It's a bit more frou-frou. The one south of us is called Shopping Mall Jaboatown. It's for the average to lesser class, I guess you would say. Although it's a nice place, I just prefer coming here. So here we are. That entrance there goes to one of the stores. You can get inside the mall through that store. It's just, you got to zigzag a little. So I figure, why not just come to the entrance and come in like a regular person. Interestingly enough, you'll notice on our left, they have a little guard tower, a little guard in it. I think I'll go find a place to sit down, take advantage of some of this air conditioning.